Hey foodies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. Today we're going to be making this yummy, delicious pineapple fried rice. It's so yummy and it's so easy to make. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. Please like this video, okay? And please share. You're not the only one who wants to learn to make this yummy food, okay? Thank you. So these are the ingredients we're needing your basmati rice, your shrimps, spring onions, carrots, green pepper, red pepper, garlic and ginger, your onions. Then you also be needing your pineapples, okay? Then I decided to use the back just to make it look so beautiful. So first of all, we're going to be frying our rice. So you add little oil to your pot. Add your onions. Add your dry thyme. Then add your raw washed rice. So we're going to be frying this for like 5 to 7 minutes. Add your seasoning powder. Then you'll be adding hot water enough to boil your rice, like per bowl, not done, like almost done. Let's fry our vegetables. So first of all, you're adding your oil. Your onions. Your minced garlic and ginger. Your shrimps. Your sausages. Your carrots. red bell peppers, your green bell peppers, yellow bell peppers, your spring onions, and your pineapples. And go with your soy sauce. And your oyster sauce. And add your seasoning. Don't forget to add your oregano and your parsley. You add your parboiled rice. So let's plate this yummy food. Please don't forget to get the juiciest pineapple, okay? So you won't spoil the flavor of this food. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please like this video, please subscribe, okay, and share. Thank you for always coming back. See you in my next video. Bye.